Good morning. So today is Friday. Today is the 15th of April. Today I got invited to go to this adventure park. Wait a minute, Jesus God. YaaMan Adventures, I think that's what it's called. I really did want to do, but sure, Canberra. Y'all know me. simple. You know what? I can't even see the outfit. I'm here with Bikana, and we're gonna meet up with Anisha and some other people that I am not really sure about just yet. We're picking up one of them right now, so I guess I will meet her soon. So yeah, we're on our way to Ochi. And yeah, I'm not gonna waste too much time because I didn't get to fully charge my camera. We love a responsible queen. So yeah, I will see you guys when Bikana comes back in the car.
Yeah man, same deal with it. You see it?
Okay, but your mama
I don't know why I shouldn't eat this king skin.
Cause why would I eat the skin?
See this?
Right now I have a knife and cut up the mango here. Right now this has stressed me out.
No brother, you don't eat mango stuff.
So
next time you go climb the tree and pick the mango yourself.
But I do that.
And one in your mouth and two in your hand and come down.
But just not like eat mango stuff. No.
People, you see that?
Tastes better on the cut.
Shady on Angle Road.
Yeah, cause I wait for you so long.
Yeah. So we are coming with a force. Yeah. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful.
Oh, you know, I've got more to say now.
Big up more for say. Spanish town. Spanish town. It's life. Bikers lifestyle.
I didn't know I had 4 kids. You don't?
Yeah. You want more?
No, I'm a good man.
Okay.
What show me I got dead now, Father God? Wow, orientation. Oh my God, more chatting. Chatter. You never stop talking.
Black people time.
Listen, them never tell we to come around here.
Jamaican time.
Technically, we're early. They didn't tell us to come.
My thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus. And gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall by my right hand. But I'll must be the friends that they come with me.
We get problems.
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
It dropped low. Why? That's why I'm getting this in cause it dropped once without it and I'm like, no, get in a case. Just make it tight. Okay, so I can't bring you guys on the journey. Most we can do is give them some phone footage. That's if I have space. Because my storage just ever full. Always full. No matter how much I buy storage, it's just always full. I give up. So, yeah, see you guys when I get back.
In my eyes, found something I like, yeah.
I enjoyed that. I'm not gonna lie, I thoroughly enjoyed that. Thank you. That's it's a good thing my wig never look bad.
Yeah, true.
Chop right off. God. Wait, I'm a bad driver? I said?
You're a great driver, man.
Oh. I'm a great.
So what did you guys think about the Dune buggy ride?
I actually liked it, you know.
You're gonna pass your road test or you're gonna buy your license?
Do the road test. Yes. Kids, I encourage you guys not to buy your license. That's why so much accident at my Jamaica because I can't drive.
Stop Shelby can't drive though, guys.
Nah, I'm a lie.
Road, killing up the dirt.
Killing up the dirt.
Let's ask your passenger. Passenger,
What did you think of my drive?
it was a great ride.
I feel like that's some cap, but
Stop waiting to Shelby, no?
alright, okay, you're that top driver. I have redeemed myself, guys. But yeah, I don't remember what else we're going to do. I know we're going to the river, but I don't know if we're going to do zip lining. We know we are going to the river, but I don't know what else. I'm hungry. I just really want some food right now. I'm hungry, and pretty much it. I really love that the dune buggy, because at first I didn't really want the ATV, because you know it's by yourself, and the ATV and the dune buggy is 2 people. But I didn't mind that actually. I really never mind it at all. And not gonna lie, guys, I'm having fun. So now we are going.
It was fun.
Wow, this is so weird having so many vloggers around. But yeah, we're going to the secret river. No, watch the beach body them. I have on my swimsuit under my shirt. I just couldn't wear so much things out there, so just so. Oh God, look on the massa them. That looks funny. This is what we're going on, right? Sit beside the girls.
You guys good? Okay. Ready for this adventure now?
Yes.
Yes, man. All right. My name is Milton. I'll be your tractor driver, taking you guys all the way down to the river safely. Return you right back here safely.
Got you. God's will. You get a lawsuit.
All right, guys. Before we go, guys, about the river now. There is no restroom down there. You got to take it in the bush down there, okay, guys?
Yeah.
Oh, we have some big old leaves right now. All right? Work with nature now, okay, guys? Yes, man. What happened on the river stays on the river. Tell nobody about it, okay?
A little bit of a tan.
In a lie, we had drinks all night. Put my phone on silent, and I don't know why. No, I couldn't leave her. Should've said bye, Felicia. Must have been the tequila. I wish you had amnesia. Come, what I did can't be undone. Kiss and chase, baby, run. Don't give my love to no one. That fella where she get. You go try, she no forget. No forgiveness. To the left. Gonna take a real line reset. She said I don't know if it's too high.
Never know the day when I come and me get food. Jesus! You have to worry about me. You do not have to worry about me.
Golden rubbers in these finger pockets. On my waist there's a black clock. New girl moves on the block. She been plotting on my cock. Last night I slept over her. During sex, I overheard. A sword sliced the air, I pulled out the gun. I rolled off the bed and shot back. Pop, blood on the sheets, probably spilling from my gash. Out the glass, spreading on the glass. A real ninja with the plan.
So guys, that is the end. That is the end of this trip. It was amazing. It was actually better than I expected, to be honest. People just ignore my wig up, lift off and slide off and all these wonderful things. I am exhausted. I got home at 4:30 this morning and I slept for an hour and a half. Then I had to get up and get ready to come to Ochi to go to YaaMan Adventure Park. I'm just tired. I had to get a Gatorade to try to, you know, get some energy, but now I think I'm just going to go to sleep. I'm tired. I'm so exhausted, but it was so fun today. And yeah, thank you to YaaMan Adventure Park for having us. And I am going to sleep. I'm in an Airbnb in Ochi, and in the next vlog you'll understand why I'm in an Airbnb. So yeah, until then, I'll see ya in the next vlog. Peace.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for so cheap, being flex OD, sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it.
So guys, I am back in my humble abode, and this is what it's looking like from all the packing, the getting ready. Is my light still on? Jesus have mercy. And this is what my room looks like. Yeah, I am going to clean it. No, my dad and my auntie supposed to come to Kingston, but she's leaving. She's going back to England, so she's gonna come and we'll go have lunch somewhere, I think, and then go to the airport, or depending on what time they come, we're going straight to the airport. So in case she feel like she wants to sit inside of my room, maybe clean it. And yeah, I don't know if I told you guys, or if you follow me on my spam, I did say that I am redecorating my room. The bag of leaves up where I see, they're gonna go. Don't want them in here anymore. It's just not my vibe. Yeah, it's just not my vibe. So I just want my room to be very clean with the decor. This is giving college dorm room, and I don't want to give that. So a lot of things are gonna go, but until then, I need to clean my room. So that is what I'm going to do right now.
I got a cute face, chubby waist, thick legs in shape. Arm shaking both ways, make you do a double take. Planet rocker, showstopper, flow proper, head knocker, beat scholar, tail dropper. Do my thing, motherfucker. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, always
Say hello to my YouTube. We are at Gloria's in Port Royal. Cheers! And Daddy's in the bathroom. Yeah.
Pipes, blue lights out of sight. So in, say it again, so in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, don't head. Everybody here, get it out of control. Get your asses off the walls, Mr. Peter said.
So I'm doing a video with Chad and them today. Kind of nervous. I don't know how to feel.
Let me get it.
Second.
Yo, you know some low-key kind of peak still though. Low-key, just a little bit. Just a little bit.
A little bit.
Just a little bit.
Some.
That is it.
That is it.
So guys, Shelby's in a little photo shoot right now.
Yeah.
She's one of them
Influencer. What? I don't like that word. People make it sound like it's a bad thing. Chad, can you feel it?
That is it.
Oh my god, that's no. Come and see a foot bag.
No.
Come and see a foot bag. Wow. Vogue. I love that. Wow.
Styles, right?
Wow.
What do I have them?
Cute.
Toes.
Watch the
Elegance.
Jesus pieces.
Right.
Normal. Not a formal.
What do I have them? Where you get your toes done?
Watch
bro?
it.
Where you got your toes done?
Flexibility. Watch out. I can get some air.
Okay.
And I still have grip on the ground, so if I gotta run, it's straight toe to ground action. Look at the grip on the ground. See that grip I'm getting on? Look at that. You won't get those. Both can't even start off that fast. Off the toes, I'm already 30, 40 out of the 100 meters. It's wraps. They don't want me in there.
It's done.
Tell your people to call my people, man.
Alright. 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 Shoo.
Don't worry. Man, I have nothing.
What's going on? Yo, this camera pretty.
Right. You again, damn it, you've had your chance. That's good. Tired of you.
You probably had at least 10 people unsubscribe.
No, I haven't. Guys, we're gonna do a video and we still don't know what we're gonna do yet, so pray for us. Right. Apparently there's a prize. I don't know if I can walk with some dollars, some dongles today. I don't know what the prize is. Am I getting a car? Yeah, there's a prize. Is there a car? Is there a camera? Is there a phone?
You don't like green?
I don't.
Yeah, it looks like you hate green.
Yeah.
So California green.
I'm sorry, I'm upset.
At least you don't smell green.
I don't. It feels to win.
Let's go for shots.
Let's go for shots.
One less
shot.
One less shot. Damn.
I don't like him, you know. Guys, I do not like him. I was in a room with him for 9 months. And all of that gone to waste. Waste of space, waste of time.
Like 2 minutes.
What's going on,
We going for drink. I did really.
Everybody but Cole gets a shot, because
why are you here?
He tried to steal my money.
Not my money. I'm not caring. I'm just defend my shot. I'm defending my drink. I'm defending my drink.
2 weeks later.
So, let us leave. Straighten you up a little bit. There's something in this box that I want y'all to see. Are you ready? It is DOSSIER. Got 5 new scents for this month, and that's on Perfume. So this one is Cranberry Cherry, and it is inspired by Tom Ford's Lost Cherry. Strong one. It's not my usual scent that I go for, but it's not bad. It really does smell a lot like cherry. I give it a 6 out of 10. This one is inspired by Victor and Rolf. It's the Flower Bomb. Gourmand White Flowers. That's what it's called. I've seen a lot of people on YouTube rave over this, so I want to see what the hype's about. The cherry scent is still not out of here. Okay, let's try it. I like it. I really like this one. I'm starting to think that I'm a floral girl. I give this a 9 out of 10. Yeah, I give it a 9 out of 10. This one, I really wanted to try this one. This is the dupe for Dolce & Gabbana's Light Blue for women, and it's called Citrus Green Apple. I think I had opened this one already because I was very excited for it. So I think I know what it smells like already, but I can't remember because those 2 fragrances are like confusing me. So yep, it's really giving citrus green apple. Like, I just don't understand how to come up with them name. Like, how do you think of something that matches? How do you think of a name that matches the perfume so well? I don't know how y'all do it, but it really does smell like a green apple, and I love it. 10 out of 10. This one is Thierry Mugler. Boy, I don't know how to pronounce them something, you know. Called Gourmand Patchouli. It's okay. I give it a 6 out of 10. It's not my favorite scent. The last one I got was inspired by Versace Bright Crystal, and it's called Fruity Magnolia. I actually got this before, and I gave it to my dad. I think I'm gonna give it to some friends. Somebody may give it to, but we really like it. Yup. I give this an 8 though. So my favorite pick so far, the citrus green apple and the gourmand white flowers. So yeah, click the link in my description to head on over to DOSSIER's website and make sure you use my code AndImShelby10 to get money off your order. Thank you again to DOSSIER for sponsoring this segment of the video, and let's just head on into the rest of the video. Okay, so I know y'all haven't seen me in a while. It's Cinco de Mayo. I'm supposed to be going out with Curry and them, you know the vibes. When I get back, I will explain to you guys a little something that's been going on with me and drinking. Yeah, keep that in mind. So I'm gonna talk to them about that. So now I am gonna get ready. I'm not do no bag of makeup, really and truly. I might just fill in my brows. I might wear my natural hair. I might fling on a wig. I don't know. I'm gonna find the outfit first, and then after that I'll decide what the vibe is. I'm gonna be playing the rest of the straps Soul album and get ready. Yeah. Hi Blake.
Hi, what's up?
What's up?
Thanks, oh my god.
Okay, wait. How was the service today? On a scale of 1 to 10.
It was great.
You're lying.
I had a great time. The food came in no time at all. I got 2 drinks. I got a whiskey sour and a rum punch, and I mixed them in this to-go cup because I want to fucking go. I want to go to a party. It's been a little minute if you're gonna ask me, you know, but you know we're out here having fun.
Fun. Alright. Yeah. How was it?
Service was great. Yo. Hi. Oh my god. Hold on, why me couldn't see myself when you asked me? Subscribe to this Blood Clot channel right now. I ain't gonna tell no lie. No, I can't do it, bro. I'm not so mean. I'm not that mean.
I did it.
It's your channel.
I don't care.
I'm a good guy.
1 out of 10. I said it.
I'm gone.
I'm not coming back.
I'm gone.
Sayonara.
Sayonara. The decor is nice though, but can't lie. Don't it?
Anyways, y'all. Good night. Goodbye. See ya. It's a nice thumbnail.
Men will always disappoint you. You know what won't disappoint you? Your bitches.
I give you peace of mind. My heart is always on your side. Our connection is rare to find.
Guys, Winifred, I have not been here in so many years, bro. Like, it's been a very long ass time.
That's alright. I'm not gonna let you go.
So nice. I just came out of the water and it was actually nice. I don't know, I'm really like come out of my clothes and go do nothing. Like, I don't know, as of recently I don't like going in water. I don't like going outdoors. I'm pretty boring, but I'm trying not to be so boring anymore. Here I pull out. And now I'm going to Doreen to get some corn. Know the vibes. No copyright.